I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into both Outlook and Teams with the same work or school account so permissions match. Once done, make sure Exchange Online or Modern Authentication is enabled for your tenant because Teams uses Exchange for calendar and presence. Now, open Outlook desktop or web and keep Teams running in the background. This prepares Mailbox, Calendar, and Presence sync. You're not configuring features yet. You're aligning accounts and services, so the integration steps that follow will complete without permission or sync errors. Next, enable the Outlook add-in and set Teams as your default meeting provider. In Outlook Desktop, go to File Options Add-ins, enable the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in. In Outlook Web Toggle the Teams Meeting switch when creating a new event. Then, open Teams and verify calendar access, notifications, and app permissions are allowed. If your tenant blocks add-ins, request admin to permit the Teams Meeting add-in or enable the Exchange OAuth setting. Once these toggles are on, Outlook will show a Teams Meeting button in the Compose ribbon. Finish by creating a test meeting from Outlook using New Teams Meeting. Include attendees and send the invite so the Teams Join link is generated. Make sure the invite shows the Teams link and recipients see a Join button. This confirms calendar and meeting integration. If the link or button is missing, restart Outlook and Teams, clear the Teams cache, and try again. If problems persist, check for policy restrictions or modern auth issues, and ask your admin to review add-in and Exchange settings so integration can complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.